All right, everyone, this is objective 4 of our power focus area, features of functions, and we are finding the domain and range of a discrete function. Remember, it's a discrete function because these points are not connected, so you have to lift your pen off the paper to write them. So let's start by listing out each of our points. So here we're going to start with this first point on the left, which is over 4, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's negative 4, 5. Our next point, over 2, up 2, negative 2, 2. Our next point is over 1, up 2. Next point is over 4, up 1. And our last point is over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6, 5. Now, if you remember, domain is our x values from left to right. So let's start by listing off our x values. So our first one was negative 4. Our next one was negative 2. Just going across. Our next one was 1. Then 4. Then 6. And we wrote our domain as the D out front for domain, a colon, and these are brackets around our domain. All right, let's do our range. Our range, writing the same way, R for range, starting with the bracket. Range is our y values. So let's go through and pick out our y values. So we start with 5, then 2, and then here we see 2 again, but we don't repeat numbers because we already have a 2. So we'll go to our next y value, which is 1. And then our last one is a 5, but if you remember, we do not repeat our y value. We already have a 5 listed. So we can complete our range by adding the bracket. And so here's our domain, and here's our range for this discrete function.